Okay, my keyboard is not long enough to do extensive run. All right. Good morning, welcome to Inspiredfingers.com. Actually, I didn't want to do this as a tutorial, but it just came up that I was just playing something, and I'm in the key of E for information. All right, so the key of E has just 4 sharps. Okay, that's this. Okay, those are the sharps in the key of E major, and the major scale goes like this. The E major scale goes like this: E, F sharp, G sharp, A, yes, E, C sharp, D sharp, and back to E. Okay, so this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 1. Sorry, my voice is somehow this Sunday morning. All right, and it's so cold. So what I just played is something you can use to open your worship session with. Okay, so you can be playing this. So let me show you those chords. It's E major, E suspended second chord. Okay, then it goes, you just slide your these 2 fingers down, okay, to the E flat, to the D sharp, because you're in the key of E, so everything will be called with the sharps, or the whole black keys will be called with the sharps. Right, so this is D sharp. Okay, so this is the E suspended second chord. Okay, then you just slide these 2 fingers down, and takes you to the 7th. Okay, but the 5 is being played over the 7th, so this is the 5 chord, and which is the first inversion of the 5 chord. You know, B major chord is the 5 chord of the key of E flat, E major. Don't know what's wrong with me this morning. All right, so but this is B, which is the 5 chord of the key of E, and this is the first inversion. Okay, so I'm just playing the 5 chord over the D sharp. All right. All right. So now I'm on the 6th right now. What I'm doing right now is playing the C sharp below here, then still playing the E suspended second chord, which I played initially as a 1 chord. I'm playing it over the 6, which is C sharp, not D flat there. You understand? You understand? You can just run it. All right, then you go to the 4. So, but what I love doing on the 4 is this. So I'm playing the E suspended second chord, but I'm just doubling the 5. Okay, you know the 5 is at the top there. So I'm just doubling the 5th notes of the key of E, and just playing it like this. So this is actually the B suspended 4th chord. Okay, this is the B suspended 4th chord. So I'm just taking the B up and doubling it. But if you want to see it as an E suspended second chord, that's your business. Okay, so all you just have to do is to know that you're doubling the top notes, putting it at the bottom as well, while you play the 4, which is the A. Remember, the A is the 4 of the key of E. So that's all for the whole stuff. Okay, I'm not here to teach you plenty things. Okay, so you can just be doing this while the preacher is talking, or while they want to start you know, the worship section. Okay, so you just go like this. You understand? To the 7 or the 5, anyway you want to take it. 6. I love calling it the 7 and going to the 6. Okay, so you know, then you go to the 4 and 1, 7 and 6. Yeah, you go to 6 and to the 4. So you just arpeggiate this. It's a nice stuff. Okay, especially when your strings it's at the high, you know, highest. I love this so much. Okay, so